Hey everybody, today I'm just doing a real quick video because I wanted to get this out there. I'm still packing and moving, but I knew I could do this pretty quick and share it with you guys. And I was just excited. I know this might not be any big shakes to some people, but I never buy the dolls in box unless there's, you know, secondhand of some sort. I never just buy them anymore because they're so expensive, to me anyway. Like, I know they're really not, but I'm an adult, so, like, I don't want to spend $7 on a doll that's brand new. You know what I mean? Like, an older doll or a more collector doll, you know, it doesn't bother me as much. But since I know I can get dolls for, like, 99 cents at the thrift store and stuff, you know, I'm just like, I don't know if I want to buy them in the real store. You know what I mean? But anyway, I've been wanting a Curvy for a while, but I hadn't found one that I actually really liked, and I'm really weird about, you know, getting something I like, not just getting something to get something. So that's how I am as a collector. I want it to be something that speaks to me and that I really enjoy. And I loved this one's face, and her outfit is pretty cute. So, and the hair, I love the hair. I haven't even opened it yet, and I love the hair already. So just from the pictures and looking at her, I looked through every single one. They had about 15 or 20 of them. And I looked at every one to make sure I got the one with the prettiest face screening and the prettiest lips and the nicest hair, and like how sometimes the outfits can have like strings or snags or whatever. I tried to make sure that I got the best one out of the ones they had, because, you know, this to me is a big deal. She's special, because I did pay full price for her in an actual real store, and I did really want her. I've been looking at her for a while, but I just didn't want to splurge. But so this is an early Christmas present. So I got her, and I know it's not even Thanksgiving yet, but we do things a little different because we always make sure our bills are paid first before anything extra, like presents or whatever, just because, you know, we want to be responsible. And we had a little bit of Christmas money that was a gift, so I used a tiny bit of it to get this doll, and I'm super glad because just, you know, she's not even out of the box yet, and I'm pretty happy with her. So what I'm going to do is I know that these don't take that long. They're not as bad. But in case I do struggle, I'm going to stop here and then open her up, and then I'm going to come back. And here she is out of her box. She's so pretty. I'm so glad I got her. I was really on the fence because I did like her through the box, but you never can tell till you put your hands on them, you know, how us collectors are. So she had a really bad case of box hair. I did fluff it and make it really, really nice. I really like her face. Such a pretty face. Really stunning. I'm actually, now that I look at her, you know, up close, thinking of honestly going and get another one, but not right away because, like, I can't afford it. But, like, if I find another one, I'm definitely going to pick it up because I like her lips being the light color, but I think that she would look great with, like, a different color. And I think I would like to, like, keep one like this with the fluffy hair because I love this hair. This hair is awesome. Absolutely in love with the hair. The hair is so great. The texture is great. It's super shiny. And I love the little, like, you know, piece of it pulled up and kind of like a little palm there is super, super cute. Absolutely love these big hoop earrings. Those are to die for. The only thing I'm not crazy about is you can see the, maybe or maybe not, the stuff's already coming off. The faux gold. That makes me sad because I really like how shiny, how they look like really gold hoops, but maybe I can fix that or something. That's the only thing I don't like so far. I'm not mad about her articulation. It would be nice if she had bend and snap knees, but, you know, I'm good with it. I do like the little shoes. These are really cute shoes. They remind me of, like, Converse. So those are really, really cute. I do enjoy those, but I would prefer something else with this outfit, even though this is kind of a, you know, not a dressy dress. It's kind of an informal dress. It's really, really cute. I like the little cutouts. I didn't know that it's a, like, pull over the head kind, though. I thought it had some kind of something in the back. But now that I have her, I can start making curvy girl clothes. All right. You know, which is cool because I haven't, you know, I don't have no curvies at all. So she's my very, very first and only. Loving her. So I'll be glad to have her body so that I can start molding some clothes. Look at her cute little butt. I know that's funny, but her little bump of a butt. That's cute. Really adorable. Love the skin tone. Absolutely gorgeous face. Love how the eyes are and the screening. Great eyebrows. Like I said, probably if they put these on sale or if I see one somewhere else, I would probably definitely get a second, even though, you know, having one is great. Like, I'm not upset about that at all, but having a second one, I think I would like to like repaint the lips or something and maybe do something different with the hair, like braid it or something, but I want to keep one like this with the fluffy hair. I just love it. Super, super cute. I know this is probably not the first time anybody's seen her, but like, I'm really happy with her. Even though I had to spend the $7 whatever at Walmart to get her. Not my favorite, but I really, really do like her a lot. She's really pretty skin tone. Really happy I got her because I wasn't at first that crazy about the curvies because I just, none of them spoke to me, and you know, I was like, well, I guess I'm not going to get one. And then everybody started talking about them and I was like, well, they're going to have to definitely make one that I like. And they did. I had seen pictures of her and knew I liked her already, but when I saw her in person in the store for the first time, I was like, oh yeah, I'm definitely picking her up. Super stunning. Just look at that. All the angles. I love this face mold. This face mold is absolutely gorgeous. Can't get over that. Super, super pretty. On the box here, I know everybody's probably seen this box already, but they did have this girl and they only had one. And I almost grabbed her, number 110 here. I was inches away from grabbing her, but again, I just was like, I don't want to spend like almost $8 because I didn't love her as much as I loved her. They also had, I think they had her. I don't think they had any of the rest of these. All the other ones were either older or from a different wave, but they did have her. They had one of her, and I'm almost certain that they had a few of this one, number 106. But yeah, so, you know, everybody knows the box. This girl's 105, Curvy Fashionista, really pretty, love her, glad to make the video. Sorry it's not as professional as my other ones, but I'm, you know, like I said, in the middle of moving, and I just wanted to do this because I really like her, and I wanted to be able to get her out of the box and touch her and stuff, but I didn't want to do it without, like, making a video first, so I like the stretchy material on this. I really do like this little dress. It's really simple and really cute to me, and I think she's styled really well. Like I said, you know, I know she has flat feet, which is not my favorite. Cute little flat feet, but, you know, I'll make her some jeans or something to go with these shoes, and I'll find some other shoes that'll be cute. So yay! We can make clothes now for our curvies, and we have a pretty curvy, and I'm super happy. I hope everybody enjoyed seeing her. Like I said, I know it's, you know, not that big of a deal because there's more than just me that's had her and shown her off, but, you know, I was really super excited to get her. So I hope everybody enjoyed it. Nice to see you. Hope everything goes well with all the new things going on. I'm not even going to say anything about it. I'm just going to set my videos to adult and go from there and figure it out. And if I have to quit doing it, I guess I have to quit doing it. But for now, I will see you soon. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you to all my lovely subscribers. I really do love you guys. You're the best. Take care. Hope everybody's having a great day. And I will hopefully see you soon. And if I don't do a video before then, happy Thanksgiving to everyone.